Hello everyone, Sam is from creativetrading making this video about Bitcoin. So let's get it started. Last week I made a video and I showed something, some chart there. Let me show you here again. That this is the chart that I showed in that video, saying that this could be a harmonic pattern here to the upside, and we may bounce from C to D. Now notice that I have a question mark here. That means that we may, is it finished? Is this down move finished? If it is finished and if we are going to bounce, then we go here. And if this D is going to be finishing here instead of going all the way down, all the way to the upside, then we drop the way we're supposed to drop, right? That doesn't mean that when I'm making this chart that we will definitely go up and I'm going to open the trade. I do not open the trade unless I have my entry. And I have a system, I put the whole setup that has to be there. All the conditions have to met before I open the trade, right? And this chart, I am aware of that fact that this might go up to here or it may go down all the way. Why? Because I already have made these charts and I teach them on my webinars and my one-on-one course as well. So you can see that this is XABC. This point C is the game changer. This is a very critical point. From here, we can go up to finish up the Gertley pattern, or if not, if the news comes against us, our analysis, then we can go down to these levels, 100%, 127, and 161. So what really happened there? This one, it never went there to the upside. The news came out and it started to go down. Let me show you the real life chart. Was Bitcoin 33. Okay, here, right? So this was the pattern X, A, B, C, D, and this is the area, the 23% line. But look what happens. We went down. So I never had a chance to go long because I have to have a setup to go long, and I never had one, right? My long setup, even on the Bitcoin, let me show you how it should be looking like. It should be looking like this, right? When everything is above the wave, above the red line, and then this is indicated all the way down, then price is like this, going up, going up, going up, and going up. These are the long setup. If the price make the changes, change the direction, and then go above the wave, and then give me the long setup like these, then I'll take it. Otherwise, I don't bother. I mean, I can't go long at all, right? Somebody left a comment on my video that my pattern didn't work out. I probably lost, so I should show my losing trade and be transparent. Buddy, there is no long trade. There was no long trade. Everything went down. Let me show you again. This thing went down, never went up. And let me show you the entry chart was like this. You see that? Is right. This is where the NFP is. I never had a long chance. And then after that, it's all down, 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 down. Right. And even then, going down, I had this trade. Then my EA opened this entry and I closed probably here somewhere. Let me show you the trade as well. I had a short, not long. You see that? This is a short Friday. When it started to, after NFP, it started to go down here. So I have to have the setup like this. How can I go long when the price is below the wave? I can't. I cannot, right? So this is how it is. Now what we are doing, we went down all the way. Do you know where we went down? According to the diagram, look, if you pull the fib expansion and 127%. That's what my diagram say, right? If you go down, the first target is 100%, second is 127, third is 161. So we hit the second target, 127, even went down a little bit more than that. Look at that, 127, and then below that was a level 52 and 940, 984, 52, 984, and which is, you can see here, 52, 984. Just below that, 52, 816. That's the level. How come I don't have it here? 52, let me see. 50, 816 is right there. So very close by to each other. So these are this is the area that he wanted to come down and hit, and it did. And then from there on, we are rising. So now the game started to go to the upside. Why? Because look at the daily chart. This is what it did. From pulling the fifth from here to here, it came down straight down to 78. Right. So I was expecting that maybe it will go above from here, but it never did. Yeah, the news did not allow it. So you have to be prepared for both sides always. My analysis is open for both sides always. You can see here that this is the question mark. This A, B, but the C was a question mark. D was a question mark. That is it completed here or not? Possibility, but for both sides. Okay, so don't get me wrong. When I'm making the charts, I'm trying to give these setups ahead of time so you can people can prepare themselves that it might go to the upside as well, but it was powerfully going down and it went down. Okay, so that doesn't mean that I lost because the thing is that there was no long setup. Okay, so it went down, and I just showed you the current chart, how it is, and what it is going to do. It is going to the upside here. The 4-hour chart is like this. It started to go up a little bit. It bounced, it came down, and then the long game will start here. So, Bitcoin, you can trade even over the weekend. It is moving, but it's very, very slow, right? So, yeah, I'm not going to bother with that. Like I said, that I was busy doing this. And of course, I was busy doing the gold on Friday. See that? It went down big time and gave me the entry here. And there were several other pairs that I was short, yen pairs, for example. So this is what it is. And I showed you the charts, right, for the setups, right, the daily chart, and for our chart that from here on we might be going to the upside based on these two numbers that we must go above these, numbers and must stay above this, obviously, and go above these so that we can go to the upside. And now when I take the long, if I have the long setup, like, look, I have to have this turn into this. Now it is turning, right? But it is not the right time. You see that? Now it is turning bullish. So if it would be, daily, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, any day, except Saturday, then I probably would go long here and it will go to the upside. Just like I showed you this chart here, that this is how it's supposed to be going, right? That day it didn't go there, but the gold went, and then I had a beautiful trade, long trade here, the gold all the way to the upside on Thursday, right? Bitcoin didn't move to the long side, but gold did. So I was busy, doing this. Why would I go long when if there is no long setup? How can I go long? Okay. So I hope you understand that this is this is the upside down, the diagram, and then this is the upside up diagram, right? So this is wave one, ABC2. Sometimes that happens. This second pullback. Sometimes it doesn't. C point will straight go to the upside. That's exactly what happened on Friday. From C point, Bitcoin just simply dropped. Instead of going to the upside, make the harmonic pattern, and then go to the downside, right? In this case, first pullbacks, then second, and then it go to the upside. Or right from C point, it will go to the upside. And this is what happened usually, right? So just wanted to show you guys and be prepared. Right now, it's going to the upside, and hopefully it will continue. I will see my long setup. Then, only then, I will take the long, and then I'll show it to you. It has to be like this. Okay? So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the weekend.